Welcome to my channel, Arya Kraków and Poland Experience. We are in the Small Rynek, Mały Rynek, and we are looking at the Menorah. Today is the 8th day of Hanukkah, so Wesoła Hanukkah, and we can see that Chabad, Kraków, had put Menorah over here. And as today is the 8th day, all the lights will be lit. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos, and I do hope that you have enjoyed this short video. Wishing you first day of January 2025 to be a happy day. Saying goodbye.